Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you common error in the words above mentioned. So you can say this video the video is about the grammatical mistakes, or you can say the common error. So I'm giving you one example. So I would be grateful if you would send it to the address above mentioned. You can see here I used the above mentioned the words. So this is a common error and or grammatical mistake. So what is the correct answer? You can write here the correct answer. The above mentioned address. Always so the main logic above mentioned, the above mentioned comes before the noun. Always before and after the before or after the noun. So above mention plus noun, or noun plus above mention. Above mention comes before the noun, the above mentioned person, the above mentioned company. So you can say this is the noun, above mentioned person, or above mentioned person, above mentioned person, or above mentioned company. So that the above may be used before or after the noun, the above address. So you can say the noun plus above mentioned. So you can say the above mentioned address, or address above mention. These are all correct. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new grammatical error. Bye bye.